Hey everybody, it's Jennifer from Tarle Speech. I've gotten a question from several students and listeners these past few months, and it is, I'm really confused on the difference between worth and worthy. How do you say them? Here are the words, and worth means deserving of merit. We're going to start with the same sound, so let's get that out of the way. We're going to start with that W, puckered lips. Then you're going to pull your lips back into a square tense shape for that were. Now, for worth, you're going to stick your tongue out of your mouth. Your tongue is not going to touch your front teeth, and the air is going to continue to move out. Your voice box is off. What that means is that your larynx is not vibrating and it is not moving for that TH sound. Worth. Now for worthy, we're going to have a slight syllable break between the were and then the the. The TH here is voiced. That's the difference. That's what people are kind of missing. It's a subtle difference where this TH, your voice box is on, your larynx is vibrating and moving. You can actually touch your throat and you can feel that. Worthy. Just smile at the end for that E because you're finished. Worthy. Let's try them together. Worth. Worthy. Worthy. And now for a sentence. I hope this video was worth your time and I'm worthy of a comment or a like. Give it a try. People are going to notice the difference. I hope this was helpful. If you found it helpful, we'd love it if you shared us with your friends. And if you are looking for more help, you can check us out at tarlespeech.com. Thanks, everyone.